Intersolar 2026, and we are having Mr. Shri KAUSTUBH S. Shetty, Director Sales and Project, Itorrent Industries Pvt Limited, with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about their products which they are showcasing over here.
Okay, my name is KAUSTUBH Shetty and I'm a technical director for projects and sales here. And to be very precise, it's a very common product which is well known in India right now when it comes to renewable industries. So we have some innovative products when it comes to earthing, and to be very precise, we are the only company who's working with the giants like Tata Power Solar, Avada Solars and Vari Solars. And here, as we all know, that the companies of the renewable are itself coming up directly with the BOS kits and everything. So we have a state-of-art manufacturing unit, total 3 units in India and 16 warehouses across. So when it comes to earthing, definitely Itorrent Industries is the brand, and I'm very proud to let you know that last financially we have already crossed 100 years, and we are having very good vision in this thing to come up with 250 to 500 share in the coming year.
And apart from these products, what are the other technologies and innovation you are currently working on?
See, currently we are working on the upcoming new market which is also known as AI, right? So the German and the Spanish have already come up with an IoT-based ESC early streamer efficient LS. So now as an Itorrent, as a USP of the company, as a project everything innovations, we are coming up with an IoT-based ESCs very soon. The only thing is that the government has to support for this product because these are all standard products and this has to be meant by as per the standards. We cannot come up with our own USP and this thing. So we are under approvals with all the governments, and soon we'll be coming up with an IoT-based ESC.
And what are your future outlook for earthing industry specifically?
Current scenario where India is leading in renewables, we have a very good vision in the coming years as not only as an earthing product but anything related to earthing as well. When it comes to hot dip galvanizing, when it comes to copper coating, when it comes to stainless steel, and also as I said IoT-based. So definitely there's a very good feature in this.
And wrapping up this conversation, can you please let us know about your roadmap for coming year?
As I said earlier, that currently as we are catering 16 states in Pan India right now, but to be very clear, we are also having the countries like Africa, Turkey's, and also in Dubai, UAE. So in coming years, definitely we are going global now. Apart from being very good manufacturer in India, we are also focusing Asia and Eurasia.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for